Another day, another story.
Warren Buffett, born on August 30, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska, is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors in history. His life story is not only inspiring but also offers valuable lessons for anyone looking to achieve success. Here's a brief overview of Warren Buffett's motivational and successful life story. Warren Buffett displayed his entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. As a child, he started various small businesses, such as selling chewing gum, delivering newspapers, and even operating pinball machines. This early exposure to business taught him valuable lessons about hard work, persistence, and the importance of finding opportunities. Buffett's journey into the world of investing began in his teenage years when he discovered a book called The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book had a profound impact on him and laid the foundation for his investment philosophy. Buffett attended Columbia Business School and later became a student of Graham at Columbia University. Graham's teachings emphasized the importance of value investing, which became the cornerstone of Buffett's investment strategy. In 1962, Warren Buffett began acquiring shares of a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Over time, he transformed the company into a diversified conglomerate. Buffett used the cash generated by Berkshire Hathaway's textile business to invest in other companies, primarily focusing on undervalued stocks. His disciplined and patient approach to investing helped him generate substantial wealth and build Berkshire Hathaway into a powerhouse. One of Buffett's most notable qualities is his long-term thinking and patience. He believes in investing in businesses that have enduring competitive advantages and holding on to them for the long haul. Buffett famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This approach has allowed him to benefit from the power of compounding and achieve remarkable investment returns over several decades. Warren Buffett is also known for his philanthropic efforts. In 2006, he pledged to donate the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His commitment to giving back and making a positive impact on society serves as an inspiration to others. Despite his immense wealth and success, Warren Buffett has always maintained a modest lifestyle. He lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and is known for his frugality. Buffett's down-to-earth nature and humility remind us that true success is not measured solely by financial accomplishments but also by personal values and relationships. Warren Buffett's life story demonstrates the power of discipline, patience, long-term thinking, and the importance of continuously learning and adapting. His journey from a young entrepreneur to one of the world's wealthiest individuals is a testament to the potential we all have to create our own success.
Thanks for watching.